Good morning.
Look at this one.
I'm making waffles. Don't be jealous of my culinary skills. So let's get ready for the day before things go really crazy here. Just kidding. They're already crazy. It is now 10:44. I put a little curl, which didn't last at all, in my hair. Don't know why. And here's a stegosaurus. So yeah, so the kids are finishing up independent artwork. And while they were doing that, I put together our work packets for the day. All of this was just on Google again, but I did get fancy and put a little bracket in there, so it made a book. Here's T-Rex. My house is literally trashed at the moment. This is just exhibit A of 900,000 examples. And because it is 10:45, they're saying they're hungry. And they're saying it now, but in about 2.5 minutes, they're gonna be screaming it at me. So we gotta figure that out. And I know the main reason you guys are here is for snack help and lunch ideas. So this is a really cool thing called ramen. And sometimes I'll put cheese on it for them, and they don't drink any of the soup, and they only eat the noodles. And if I'm really feeling culinarily inspired, sometimes I'll put a hot dog with it. So yeah, that's what they're having for lunch today. All right, guys, what did mommy make for lunch?
Spaghetti and hot dog.
Yeah, is it really delicious?
No, it's stupid. It's stupid, mommy.
Truman, do you like it? Yeah, it's yummy. Good. Well, the kids have never complimented me so highly on anything I've ever made. So in case you're looking to just really knock the socks off your kids, ramen and hot dogs and cheese is where it's at. But yeah, I might even have some myself because I'm starving and what am I gonna do? Make other food on top of the food I'm already making for these people all day long? Nope. It is now 12:15. We have done way too much since I was on here. I am super beat. Here, the big kids are heading outside for some recess after lunch and after activities. We did rock painting again and we cleaned up a little bit. So that's what I'm working on now, is I cleaned up the living room a bit and now I'm working on the kitchen. The baby keeps fussing. I don't know what's up with that. He should be going right down, but we shall see. I'm starting to freak out a little bit because the baby doesn't seem to be going down and I don't want to deal with him, and the kids are bugging to go to the park and I don't really want to walk anywhere. I'm feeling a little it's just really hard to keep them entertained. Like, I feel like I've already done enough and it's 12:30. And the baby keeps fussing. And the kids keep telling me they're hungry. I just feel like I've already done all of the normal things that we've been doing, and it's gotten me to a very early 12:31 p.m. All right, guys. We are leaving the house. The baby is crabby AF. The kids were desperate to leave. Tilly, you're gonna get hurt if you keep running into leaf piles. We are walking to our local Sonic. It's about 1.5 miles away. No, just kidding. It's a 1.5 mile round trip. I considered walking to McDonald's, which is like 2.5 miles away, but my husband talked me out of it because I have a tendency to go big or go home in my anxiety. So we're picking something closer and hopefully that works out. Let me show you my little setup. Okay, I have the dog for protection. I have shoulder and back, and these two crazies. Hey guys, red light.
Why?
Because road?
Yeah, road.
Okay. Okay. The kids are watching a couple of Mark Rober science shows. It's a YouTube channel if you don't know, which I'll link in the description box because it's awesome. Sonic is awesome. And now I'm making lunch. It's 3:05 p.m. I think they want sandwiches. Okay. And yeah. There he is. The clinger. He's always touching me. Okay. Peanut butter, jelly, bread. Peanut butter, jelly, bread. Let's go. We are getting closer to the end of our day. It is 4:17 p.m. Guys, it's not going great. I brought out this stepladder from the garage. Help us combat Truman's endless climbing of the table. And this is going so much worse. It's dangerous. It's just a bad idea. And I literally don't know how to make it stop. And he's crying. Okay, well, I guess I know how to make it stop. We're gonna put it away and send the kids outside. Awesome. It's fine. We are hanging out outside. That's why I'm back in my tank top. It's like the ever-evolving outfit over here. And I have decided to attempt to make dinner. Yeah. So the recipe I'm making is this one by Damn Delicious. So many of her recipes are awesome and quick. Some of them are really extravagant, but this one is basically homemade hamburger helper. I'll link it in the description box below because I know I'm not the only one trying to come up with meals, and basically all you need is some kind of pasta, hamburger, and then you can kind of hash mash it together. After that, let's do it. To be honest, I don't have as much onion as it calls for. This is what I'm left with, guys. I'm just gonna make it and see how it goes. So let's chop this up. Things are about to get real creative over here. I have 2 fresh tomatoes. I need 1 canned tomato paste. So I'm going to chop these up and I'm going to stew them basically real quick as possible in my cast iron, and then food process it and then drain out as much water as possible and call that good. Have I ever done that before? No, but it seems possible. I already know my husband's also gonna hate this meal because the man hates pasta, which boggles my mind. Did I mention the fact that I'm not a very good cook and my husband hears that I'm going off script? It concerns him wildly. Okay, so far so good. This is what my stewed tomatoes look like. Stewed, sauteed, whatever. See, husband, it's fine. We haven't tasted it yet, but it's probably fine. Okay, food is done. I'm preparing myself for the onslaught of people who are going to hate it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited to eat it. Is it the healthiest meal on the planet? No. Was their lunch the healthiest meal on the planet? No. Is this what we have in the house? Yes. Guys, I feel like I could cry. My people ate the food. The only person that gagged was my husband, and everybody else cried about it for a while, and then they ate it. Hey! It's a big deal in my house. It's like hard to describe how big of a deal that is. We spent years not just making separate meals for Barrett, but he had sensory differences and he basically ate crackers and peanut butter for most meals until he was like 4 years old. So, yay! I will see you guys in my next video. If you like these vlogs, I've been so enjoying reading and responding to your comments down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye!